Hi there, so this is an add-on video to my original free easy mask pattern, and this is how to put a third layer in the mask. Now, just check the download you've got. The cut instructions that are cut one main and cut one lining is the old version of the pattern. Because of the way this is constructed, your outer and your inner need to be the same fabric. Make sure it's light and breathable. So this is just an add-on to the original pattern video. So place your pieces right sides together and sew just like you would in the original video. Filter layer, fold it in half and cut. Like so. Now stitch the curve edge together. Right, so what we're going to do now is pinch these pieces just like we did before, like so. And I believe you wanted the filter layer to be on the inside of the outside. So it doesn't really matter which side you choose because it's the same fabric, but just check when you've done this that the filter layer, the side that's against your face, is going to be this side on the inside and the side that's on the outer is that side, and you would be placing it like so. So we want to line up the three layers here. Good idea to face those in opposite directions if you can. And then stitch those together. And of course make sure you leave a little gap for turning. Turn through. So now what you've got is you've got your filter layer on the inside of the outside, and here's your lining layer here. So just rearrange it and then do your edge stitching to close the gap, just like in the original video. I'm actually going to use a hair elastic tie in this one.